Hi my YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. I'm very happy to meet you over here again, and today I literally have 5 minutes, no more than that, and we will basically open this package of Zara. So basically I have this Zara package, you cannot see anything right here, but anyway, I have this like a collection, basically collection number 2. I don't have a lot of space to show you guys, but I wish I could show you, but I cannot even show you. So here is basically my box. It's pretty huge, and we're gonna open that box by myself, not even having any scissors or anything like that. I will show you what I bought, but also what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna try all of these fragrances right now. I bought, amber, what's that, black amber, and then a pink flambe, and then cloud mimosa, and then fleur de patchouli, and then gardenia. Gardenia. So I bought those bottles. 2 of them I already know. And then I bought Fields at Nightfall, which I already made a few videos before. I really quite start to like that fragrance, to be honest. My view completely changed, So we have fragrances here. Okay, the bottles, let's have a look. Let's take them out basically from this huge box. I will only try today, I will only try Mimosa Cloud, which is dupe for this Ariana Grande Cloud, That's all what I'm going to try, otherwise the video will be super long and we will not be able to do anything. So the one thing that I bought is Fleur de Patchouli. The reason being because I like this fragrance very much, so that's why I bought it. And sometimes they put these poems there. The eye of this fragrance stares straight at you, daring you to engage with her creativity. I really like this fragrance. I really like it. I like the poetry that they write over there. I really like this fragrance, guys, so much. Fleur de Patchouli. The other one that I'm super aware of is probably my number 1, that also I got one compliment, so I like gardenia. That black opium tube, So basically that's gardenia we have, and then pink flambe. I have no idea what type of smell is it. No idea. Simply have no idea. And then black amber is some kind of dupe of, could be Dolce & Gabbana, the one. To be fair to you, I don't think I like that fragrance, but I see that many women are looking for that fragrance to buy, and sometimes if shops runs out from that fragrance, then they're still looking as if it would be some kind of magical fragrance. So this one is Zara black amber is probably, they say, dupe for that one. I might be wrong, but I might be right as well, so correct me if I'm wrong. So black amber we have, and finally, after I wanted to get this fragrance maybe 6 months, since I heard that this fragrance is like a dupe for that, Ariana Grande Cloud that everybody's talking about so much, non-stop, and the way it's like signature of the day and so on. So I first want to get the dupe of it. I'm gonna open only this fragrance right now, otherwise, I don't have a lot of time today. But Mimosa Cloud, comfortable and gloomy notes of pistachio, mimosa, and tonka bean. You see? It's actually eau de toilette. So Mimosa Cloud, eau de toilette is not eau de perfume. And to be honest, I really how to say to you, I would like that this fragrance, would somehow make me happy today. Will this fragrance gonna make me happy today? We will only see after spraying it. It's like a huge moment, isn't it? And I have never smelled Ariana Grande. I don't know how it is like. Oh God, I see videos and they say this fragrance is so nice, Sometimes it surprises so much. So I don't know. I really hope this first impression will be good. I will be so unhappy it will not be, because that feels at nightfall, you know, it failed me at first, but then I fell in love after. As the what's that, happiness sparkle said, slow love, you know, she said that. Anyway, cannot feel anything. Okay, the moment of truth, guys. Okay, I should have wait. Oh my god. I smelled some kind of very strange note. As if something burned, you know, but then other notes comes out. This is very strange. I didn't expect that, as again and again, you know. Oh god. It's slightly going towards disappointing side, but also a bit unusual side, you know. I feel like some kind of burnt sugar. Basically, it's as if pleasant and not pleasant mixed together. And I don't know what to think of it. Basically, I think what's left right now is probably to spray it on. You know what I feel the most? I feel gardenia. Sorry, not gardenia. I meant coconut oil. Coconut smell, you know. Some kind of coconut smell with something burning. I don't know what. Oh god, I'm not sure about this one, guys. I'm not sure if this one's gonna surprise me, you know. I just have to try hard. I will be trying very hard. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna go in my day. I'm not sure if I really like this fragrance. Let me get second impression. I need to open the door of the car. I will come back to you guys. Have a great day, okay? Wish me that these impressions will be better. Okay, see you soon. Have a great day.